The reason for we coming to Hyderabad, we were here in Hyderabad last year as well. So this time, one of the key things is that we have two companies from Hyderabad, showcasing their products. In fact, IWIS company showcasing their products and launching their products at IFSEC this year, and as well as Wave Technology, Z-Wave Technology. And it's a good thing that we've seen a lot of smaller, homogeneous, grown companies from India looking at IFSEC in a big way. And what IFSEC does is to help these companies go global, and to that extent that with their technologies and processes being showcased at IFSEC India, and I'm sure this would attract a lot of attention worldwide and global. And so you also have a lot of global end users coming and visiting India, and I think it's a great opportunity for companies from Hyderabad as well to showcase their products at IFSEC India. Two companies, one is IWIS and the other one is Z-Wave Technologies. And you've seen the product presentation a while back, where I'm sure this would help them reach the targeted audience that they wish to. And IFSEC will be able to provide that kind of platform for them. It's been good. While we moved to Noida, it was a great decision to move from Delhi to Noida, and this is the second year in running that we are holding it in Noida. And this time as well, we are seeing a lot more traction from the industry as far as Noida is concerned. There's a lot of great interest for IFSEC from the security industry in India, and I'm sure IFSEC will take this forward, carry the legacy forward. Future plans is like we've already, we are looking at hosting an integrated leadership series for the security industry, and this year we did it in Goa, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. So next time we are looking at doing a global security conclave, whereby we would like to have the CSOs of companies across verticals, where we would like to host them and bring in rich, high-level content and excellent speakers from a global perspective for this conference. And I'm sure we will be able to take the related activities of IFSEC at a global scale. So while we have ILS being done, which is at Goa, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, we are also looking at doing smaller city events. So you're looking at Western region, Northern region and Southern region, multi-city event for the security players in India and system integrators as well. So that's a growth story for us so far this year.